Hello all. We are learning our Matlab classes. Till now we have finished logical, string, character, numeric, table and cell class. Now only we are remaining with a struct class. So struct class is like a structure array is a data type. Like struct class is a structure array. Okay. And a structure array is a data type that groups related data using data containers called field. Each field can contain any type of data. Access data in a field using dot notation of of the from struct name dot field name. So we can create multiple fields also inside it for the structure. So if I want to know more about the structure, so that fields store array of varying classes and sizes. Access one or all fields in declines in a single operation. Field name identify contents, method of passing function argument, use in a comma separated list, more memory required for overhead. Okay, so these are all about the struct in theoretical part. Let's get started with in the Matlab. How can we create the struct? Okay, so if I'm writing here, now is equal to h dot field field. Okay. Oh, sorry. In that syntax, we will not create how it will be told us. So I'll create some h dot field. Okay, is equal to some name with like suppose pi sq square pi square. Okay, so I'll create this. So this structure is created with pi square name. You can see here h is created here struct. Okay, if I want to create some with the name of pi square itself, how can I create? Okay, so same I'll write here pi square dot field field. Okay, I didn't think so this will work here. Field, okay, is equal to same I'll write here in brackets pi square. Okay, enter. So here you can see with the name also it's created. So if you want the name, we can write it before the dot, that name what we want. Here you can see there are two structure. One is structure H here in workspace and one more structure which is PISQ, pi square. Okay, so how we can perform, how we can enter the names in a structure and all this thing, we will start. Okay, so I create one more structure here for like here I have created structure. We'll work on it. Okay, so here we have h dot field. Okay, with pi square we'll work on h structure only. So h dot field. Okay, field field is equal to, if I want to enter anything like these values, this number, so I am passing one string here inside it using this. Okay, anything it will enter. If I want to enter numbers also here, so h dot field field 1, I have to change this thing. Okay, or it will store in the same field everything, it will be doing there something if I am storing a number. So you can see here in a structure h, first field is this, second field is this. If I want to store like h dot field field anything else, like something I want to store like this smoker. Okay, here you can see one variable smoker with logic like boolean a logical cell. Okay, so I'll write here h dot field. Here I have to change with field 2 and I'll write here smoker smoker. So it will store here 5 cross 1 logical. If I want to store table, so table also is fine here. field field, where I have to write, sorry, h dot field. Okay, field 3 is equal to, here we have one table already created with t. Okay, I'll enter here. So here you can see 5 cross 6 table is also inserted here. We will do something new. We can try to insert a cell inside the structure. Is it accept or not? We will see here. Field, okay, sorry, H dot field 4, okay, is equal to, here you can see we have cell C and cell S. So we will use cell S. Let's see. So structure is also accepting all the data types to store inside that format. Okay, so if you want to see in a workspace this structure H, I'll show you here. You can see we have different field and it contains different values. So in that way we can create a structure. So structure is also like very important data type in a Matlab. Okay, if you want to see what's the class of that H, I'll show you here. Okay, I'll write here class H. Okay, so you can see in answer we will get the class of H is struct. Okay, anything you want to know the class of anything, you can write here in that way. Class, okay, class of S I want to know. Okay, that capital S, which is itself cell. Okay, so it will shows me a cell. Okay, so we can see some different thing using this as well. Okay, so I have to introduce one more function to you, which is linspace. Okay, linspace. So I am writing here one command in front of you, linspace, linspace of 10 comma 20 comma 100. Okay, so you can see what it will be do this command. So this command is created one matrix. Okay, one matrix you can see, which is having starting with the number 10 and last number is 100. Like created total columns are 100. In that way it's created 20 rows. Okay, in the 20 rows it is created that 100 columns. Okay, fine. In that way we can create any matrix if we want. So anything we can use. And suppose if I want to do transpose, so I'll do in a simple way. X is equal to, sorry, y is equal to x transpose. So you can see this all is created in this row format. That columns are converted into row. Okay, so we can perform various matrix operations as well. In this class we have studied the structure and some linspace function and some matrix operations. So this is all about the introduction to MATLAB. Okay, so thank you all.